little learners, today we are going to start with our chapter 14, that is season. So in this chapter, I will tell you about weather and season. What is the difference between weather and season? If we talk about weather, it is in this, there is day-to-day changes, right? You have also wondered in your daily routine that in the daytime when there is a very bright sunlight and after some time it's rained heavily, it is due to weather changes. If we talk about season, it remains same throughout it remains same for 6 to 3 months. Like we have summer season, winter season, spring season, autumn season and monsoon season. Right? So in this chapter, I will tell you about the 5 different seasons. Basically, we have 3 important seasons, that is summer, winter and monsoon. So before we start studying, what weather tells us about condition of air, which is how hot or cold. Weather types include, it should be cloudy, hot, cold and rainy, right? So let's study about the season. When a particular type of weather remains for a certain period of time is called season. How many seasons do we have? We have 5 seasons. Let's study them. First is spring season. What is spring season? We have February and March as the month of spring. It is a pleasant season. During this time, weather is not too hot, not too cold. Right? ना ही ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है, ना ही ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. And you may see that new flowers bloom. Then we have summer season. It is a hot season, right? We feel hot on these days. So April, May and June, these are the month of summer. Summer is the hottest period of the year. Sun shines very brightly and its rays directly falls on the earth. And days are long and nights are short during summer. And what do people wear? We wear light cotton clothes because cotton are a good absorber of sweat. And we stay indoors to remain. So what do we use? We use fans, cooler and AC, that is air conditioner, to keep us cool. People also enjoy drinking cold drinks and ice creams in summer. Let's study about rainy season. What is rainy season? After the hot summer, if we talk about rainy season come in July, August, September. It is also called monsoon season. What do farmers do? They sow new seeds or crop during the season. And what we use? Umbrella, gum boots, raincoat to guard ourselves from the rain. Then we have autumn season, in which what happens? The trees shed their leaves. Last few months of October and November are autumn season. Trees sheds leaves in autumn, and in this season, it's neither too hot nor too cold, right? It is also called cooling off season. Let's see about winter season, month of December and January, winter season. It's very cold, and what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes so that it keeps us warm. And we like to drink what? Tea and coffee. We like to sit in the sun, and unlike summer, during winter, the days are short and nights are longer. Right? It is also a vast difference. And Masingram is a place in India, state of Meghalaya, in which receives rainfall, very heavy rainfall throughout the year. Right? The season where flower bloom. Here some question given, which is name the season which have the flower bloom in the season, that is spring season. Condition of air, what it is called? Then the season of ice cream and cold drink, that is summer season. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying with me. Thank you.